In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Robinhood debit card. The first thing you want to do is you want to open the Robinhood application and then go ahead and log in. Then navigate to the cash tab right over here. So go to the bottom, select over here with the cash icon. Then it is going to go ahead and give you a screen that looks like this. Now, if you were already approved for the Robinhood Gold card, then whenever you go to this tab, you will see an option that says debit card or cash card. And basically, you want to go ahead and select on that option. And it's going to ask you, have you received your card? And you want to press on yes. Now, unfortunately, I am still on the wait list. But if you actually were able to get the debit card, then you're going to see that option. And then afterwards, you want to follow the prompts to enter your card details, such as the card number, expiration date, and activation code if it is provided. You may also need to set out a 4-digit PIN number for the card as well. So again, just keep that in mind. And in order to begin the process, you need to go to the bottom menu and select on the cash option right over here. And then from there, you can go ahead and activate your debit card. And then from there, you can begin using it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.